Hi there. Well, this is my show and tell, and what I decided that I want to show this. My friend cross-stitched this for me. It is Kirk and Spock. Here, let me just so you can see it. It's Kirk and Spock, as you can see. They're best buddies, and the letters say bros before hoes. Okay, it's a really beautiful little job that my friend did. There's some broken glass in the corner there. And as you can see, there's a little garden in the background, and I thought, well, let's see, bros before hoes. So obviously, one of the two gentlemen, that their wives have sent them out to do some gardening in the garden, and they've decided that they want to be together instead of hoeing like they're supposed to. So they're hanging out because they're friends. And that's what I've gotten from this, and it really means a lot to me because it reminds me that should I ever be forced to go out and work in the garden, that my friends come first before the gardening or any other chore. I hope. I'm not sure. Yeah. So I really like this, and I thought I'd share it with you. I'll just show it to you again there one more time. So you got Kirk and Spock together. You got some really beautiful flowers in the background, the broken glass there in the corner. This is really gorgeous, and it means a lot to me. Thank you.